Good day children, welcome to maths class, and in our maths class we will be beginning with a new lesson 4, subtraction. Now our last lesson was lesson 3, addition, where you learned to add horizontally and vertically. Same way in subtraction we will be learning how to subtract horizontally as well as arrange the numbers vertically and subtract. So let's begin. Subtract horizontally. Now there is a rule which teacher explained earlier also. In addition, the same rule applies over here. While subtracting horizontally, we subtract units to units place, tens to tens place, hundreds to hundreds, thousands to thousands, and 10,000 to 10,000s place. So here is an example for us. The sum reads 25,879 minus 15,730. So now, as the rule says, we begin with units to units. So this is my first number. 9 is in the units place, 0 is in the units place. So I will subtract 9 by 0. When I subtract 9 by 0, my answer is 9. Now I'll go to tens. Here is the tens place, 7 and 3. Both are in the tens place of the number. So 7 minus 3 gives me 4. Hundreds place, here it is 8 and 7. If I subtract 8 from 7, I get the answer 1. Now I go to the thousands place, that is 5 and 5. Both the numbers 5 are in the thousands place of these numbers. So I will subtract them. 5 minus 5, my answer is 0. And the last is in the 10,000s place, 2 and 1. So if I subtract 2 from 1, I get the answer 1. So my answer is 10,149. So I hope children you have understood. Subtracting horizontally or adding horizontally is the same. Units to units, tens to tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Everywhere you have to minus it or add it with that number, with their places. Let's continue. Example number 2. The answer to an addition sum is 5,918. One of the number is 1,413. Find the other number. Now here they have said an addition sum. After adding the number, you got this answer. And one of the number is 1417. You have to find the other. When you get sums like these, children, where they give you one number and you have to find the other, you have to subtract. And here you have to subtract it horizontally. So here is it. 5918 minus 1430. So let's see. Let's subtract it horizontally. Units place, 8 minus 3 gives me 5. Tens place, 1 minus 1 gives me 0. Hundreds place, 9 minus 4 gives me 5 again. And the last is the thousands place, 5 minus 1 gives me 4. So my answer is, the other number is 5,505. Okay children, this is the last one. Write two pairs of numbers whose difference is 2000. Now here you don't have to subtract horizontally, but you have to find two numbers that when you subtract you get the answer 2000. So what they have given is dash. Now difference is minus. Remember, the word difference stands for subtraction. So I have to find out two numbers that when you subtract them you get the answer 2000. So let's begin. The first one, since they want to find out two pairs, we'll begin with the first pair. Now which are the two numbers that you minus, you get 2000. Now children, I don't want you to remember these 3 zeros. Just let us keep these 3 zeros aside. Let us only concentrate on 2. So if I want to note a pair of number that when you minus you get 2. Yes, if I take 5 fingers and from this 5 if I minus 3, I get 2. If I take 6 fingers, I minus 4. Again I get 2. 3, if I take 3 fingers, remove 1 out of it, again I get 2. So there are many. So let's take one of it. Now I began with 5, so let's take 5. So I take 5 and I add 3 zeros to it. Why? Because here they have shown 3 zeros. So here it is 5,000 minus 3,000 is 2,000. You have to only look at this fourth number. Here there are 3 zeros, so teacher put these 3 zeros. But the mean is 5 minus 3 is 2. Then here they have given us 3 zeros for the 3 places. Now let's begin with the second example. Again, now as teacher there are many. You can take 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2. So there are many. So let's choose 9. So I'll begin with 9 minus 7 and then I put the 3 zeros. 9 minus 7 gives me 2 and then I put the 3 zeros. So I hope children you have understood how to subtract horizontally and also how to find a pair of numbers whose difference. I hope you remember difference. Remember children, difference is subtraction. You subtract. So difference is minus. So this is how you get the answer. So I hope children you have understood. In the second video, teacher will be teaching you how to subtract vertically. So for now, please remember this and practice these sums. Thank you.